We have to decorate.
We have to decorate? What, you mean yesterday when we put the stork out?
Yeah. It's not windy today, right?
Let's pull this down so we can see him good. Can you talk to him?
Baby hunter. What you doing? What you doing?
What's he doing, Kate?
Oh. It's okay.
It's okay. You
You're
sneezed into Buffy.
fine.
That's good.
You're fine. You sneezed into me. We're good.
And then the 23rd, 11 or 8.
Oh, dear.
Bless your heart. Well, she knows so, but she's all right. Yeah, I know it's on my. I know. You all right?
Hi, baby husband. Hi.
Okay.
You just told him.
Oh, okay. I'll just hold him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come back. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Okay, he's starting to get upset again.